If you want to disable automatic restrictions on your Google account, follow these simple steps to regain full access to your account features. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email address and password. Make sure you are using the account that has the restrictions applied. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section of your Google account settings. You can find this option in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Review recent security activity. In the security section, look for recent security activity to check if there are any alerts or notifications that might explain the restrictions. Address any issues listed here. Step 4. Adjust account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the AirStroke.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Submit a request to lift restrictions. If restrictions persist, go to the help section and look for options to contact Google support. Submit a request to lift the restrictions, providing any necessary information they may require. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Google account. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.